Mastering continuous shooting in photography. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that's very common in photography: continuous shooting. This term might sound a bit complex at first, but don't worry, we're going to break it down together. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's get started and uncover the essence of continuous shooting. Continuous shooting refers to a camera feature allowing the photographer to take multiple photographs in quick succession by holding down the shutter button. This is particularly useful in situations where action is happening very fast, such as in sports, wildlife photography, or any moment that's fleeting and you want to capture it in detail. The key here is the camera's ability to capture several images per second, which varies from camera to camera. Some can shoot more frames per second, FPS, than others. Continuous shooting plays a crucial role in not missing any action. Imagine trying to photograph a bird in flight or a fast-paced sports event. By using continuous shooting, you increase your chances of capturing that perfect moment. It's not just about quantity, though. It's about having a selection of images from which you can choose the best one. This feature empowers photographers to tell a story through a sequence of images, showing the progression of movement or emotion that might be missed with a single shot. 1. Know your camera. Different cameras have different continuous shooting modes and speeds. Familiarize yourself with your camera's capabilities and how to activate this mode. 2. Memory and battery. Continuous shooting can quickly fill up your memory card and drain your battery. Ensure you have ample storage and a fully charged battery before starting. 3. Focus on your subject. Continuous shooting works best when the camera is properly focused on the subject. Use autofocus modes that are designed for tracking moving subjects to keep your images sharp. 4. Practice. Like any photography technique, practice makes perfect. Try out continuous shooting in various scenarios to understand how it works best for you. It's worth noting that continuous shooting is sometimes used interchangeably with burst mode. However, they can mean slightly different things depending on the camera brand. Generally, both terms refer to taking multiple shots by holding down the shutter button. The difference, if any, usually lies in the speed of the shots taken and the specific features available in different camera models. Always refer to your camera's manual for the precise definitions and capabilities. We hope this video has shed some light on what continuous shooting is and how it can be a game changer in photography. Whether you're capturing the fleeting moments of a soccer game or the graceful flight of a bird, continuous shooting can help ensure you don't miss a beat. Remember, understanding your camera's features and practicing will make all the difference. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has been helpful in your English language learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.